Ethan Sykes. I'm the Executive Director of the Springfield Chamber Chorus. If you're not familiar with us, we're a local choir based out of Springfield, Missouri, with about 40 volunteer singers. Our goal is to promote artistic excellence and collaboration with the community. We have a few events coming up, such as the Springfield Christmas Concert and Singing in Cinema, and we need your support. If you're able to donate or attend in any way, please consider supporting us in the Support the Sound of Springfield campaign.
Over the next few weeks, you can look forward to hearing from many of our members as they share their experiences with Springfield Chamber Chorus. We are thrilled to be a part of the Springfield community. We feel that we have a lot to offer. And so, as we enter this season of giving, please consider donating money, donating time, even just donating your presence by attending one of our events. Support the Sound of Springfield.